Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Mario on Dress to Impress. So unfortunately, I cannot put on the gloves because I don't know why. It's not like available yet, I guess, for the masculine body, but let's just remove everything except for the ones I did accessory just was on. So just the hat, I guess. For the hair, I just use this hair in brown. For the hat, I use this hat, this I don't know what it's called, and I colored it 770D0F. Position the X at 0.47, the Z at 0.49. Rotate the X to 0.59 and scale it to 0.42. Then I used this hat as well in the same color, Y 0.48 for the position, and scaled it to 0.45. For the outfit, it's pretty simple. Select these overalls and color this color 0F1434, and then you're going to want to get this turtleneck. Just turn off the turtleneck if you want to, and then color it the same red as the hat. Then for the shoes, just simply select these shoes and color it brown. I colored it 543320, and that is it. It's so simple. If you run out of time, you can just put on this Mario costume. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Oh, I forgot the mustache. Yeah, also go to the masculine section and get the mustache because I forgot about that, even though that's like the most iconic Mario thing ever. I'm like, something's missing. And then I looked and I'm like, no mustache. Right. Alright, that is it for this video. You can add two. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.